mixlr.com/gistfm every Monday and Saturday. What are your political views? Keep a date.
Nafana na monso angels.
Okay, guys, good evening, good afternoon, good morning, wherever you're watching from. Please like, subscribe, and share. Right, hit the subscribe button right here. Check this out. It's on Amazon.com. Hip Hop and ebook shop by yours faithfully, Martin Ifeanyi Squeeze. All right. It's also available at St. Teresa's Catholic Church, Umuahia. It's also available at St. Michael's Catholic Church, Apacha. So stick around for the news now.
Ekene Maria Egyptel na Gracia Osebruwa nonyeli ịdị ngọzi n'etiti igboro niile ọ dịazị ngọzi bụ nwafọ gị bụ Jesu. Maria dị asọ nne nke Chukwu rịọbara ndị njọ arịrịọ kịta na n'ọnwa anyị. Amen. Okwu emela arụ o wee binyere anyị. Ekene Maria Egyptel na Gracia Osebruwa nonyeli ịdị ngọzi n'etiti igboro niile ọ dịazị ngọzi bụ nwafọ gị bụ Jesu. Maria dị asọ nne nke Chukwu rịọbara ndị njọ arịrịọ kịta na n'ọnwa anyị. Amen. Rịọbara anyị arịrịọ ọ nne nke Chukwu dị asọ ka o metụ n'aka nkwa nke Kristi. Arịrịọ anyị na-arịọ gị o Chukwu ka ebinye Kraịst anyị n'ime obi anyị ka anyị bụ ndị njọ butere ozi ọma wee mara iwere arụ Kristi nwanyị site n'afọ ya na obi ya wee bata n'otito na mbilite n'ọnwụ ya site na Kristi dị anyị. Amen. Otito dịrị Nna na Nwa na Mmụọ Nsọ. Otito dịrị Nna na Nwa na Mmụọ Nsọ. Otito dịrị Nna na Nwa na Mmụọ Nsọ. Ka mkpụrụ obi ndị niile kwerenụ gara aga mkpụrụ obi fa zuru ike na ndokwa. Amen.
Onye nwe anyị nọnyere ụlọ ka Chineke ji ike niile gọzie ụlọ Nna na Nwa na Mmụọ Nsọ.
Ekele a bịara gị site na nkwado ndị Love Bite Food and Beverage Limited Nnobi. Ndị na-alụpụta Love Bite Bread nọ na nọmba 1 Nwosu Mmadụka Close n'ụlọ Nnobi 081-49-82-8254. Everyone at the FM, 24 hours of information, education, entertainment programs. Can't stop, won't stop. On everyone at the 103.5 FM. Listen to news updates everyone at the 103.5 FM immediately after Angeles 6 o'clock a.m. and 6 o'clock p.m. weekdays. Stay tuned to be updated, to be informed. News updates, live reports. Everyone at the FM breaks the news with actuality.
I believe that people are voting for a new Nigeria.
You can as well listen online via mixlr.com/gistfm.
Good evening and welcome to Ebona, the 103.5 FM News Updates. Today, Friday, the 17th day of May 2024, and the time is 4 minutes past the hour of 6. Martin Ifeanyi Squeeze is my name. The headlines. Gunmen kidnap Anambra Catholic priest Reverend Father Basil Buzuo. Police launch manhunt for abductors. Abia to collaborate with Israel in digital economy technology, says OT. Absence of high-profile hotel facilities deny Enugu high-profile events. Ebonyi residents shut down EEDC office over 3 months blackout. Parents in shock as motorcyclist disappears with 3 kids in Abia. Ukraine, Russia offensive halted after units engaged in street battles with Kremlin. Now, details. Gunmen kidnap Anambra Catholic priest Reverend Father Basil Buswe. Police launch manhunt for abductors. A popular Catholic priest in the Onitsha Diocese of Anambra State, Reverend Father Basil Buswe, has been kidnapped by yet to be identified gunmen. The news of priest abduction was contained in a release by Catholic Archdiocese of Onitsha, dated May 16, 2024. According to the statement, the incident occurred on Wednesday, May 15, 2024, around 8 a.m. along the Ekempo Obosi bypass. The statement also added that His Grace, Most Reverend Valerian Okeke, the Metropolitan Archbishop of Onitsha, had called on all Christ faithful and people of goodwill to pray for the quick and safe release of the priest. The Archdiocese said it was also intensifying efforts to secure Father Buzwe's freedom while committing the priest to powerful intercession of Blessed Virgin Mary, Mother of Praise, for his speedy release from the hands of his kidnappers. Reacting to the development in a statement Thursday evening, the State Police Public Relations Officer Tochukwu Kenga said the police had launched a manhunt for the abductors of the priest. Abia to collaborate with Israel in digital economy technology, says Oti. The Abia state government has stated that it is eager to work with Israel to help it realize its full economic and technical potential, particularly in the digital economy, agriculture, human capital, and micro, small, and medium enterprises. Governor Alex Oti disclosed this during a visit to Government House, Omahia, by His Excellency Michael Freeman, the Israeli ambassador to Nigeria. The Israeli ambassador praised Oti for enhancing security in Abia, according to a statement released by Kazir Uko, the chief press secretary. The Israeli ambassador noted that there are many similarities between Israel, Nigeria, and Abia, especially their entrepreneurial drive. He called his visit to Abia noteworthy, given that it occurred on the day when the Jewish nation was commemorating its 76th year of independence. Governor Oti embraced the notion of cooperation, thanking the Israeli ambassador for his visit and accepting his offer to visit Israel. He said, I am very pleased, very happy to receive Your Excellency, the ambassador, today in Abia State. I am more enamored to listen to you speak passionately about some of the things that are so important to us as a government and as a people, Governor Oti said. Absence of high-profile hotel facilities denying Enugu high-profile events. The Enugu State Commissioner for Culture and Tourism, Dame Ugochi Madeke, has explained that the absence of high-profile hotels and events halls is denying the state of playing host to money-spending events celebrated and the distinguished passengers coming through the airport. She spoke on the sideline of the approval by the Enugu State Executive Council for the construction of a 380-room high-profile hotel at the International Conference Center, Enugu. Throwing more light on the hotel project, Dame Madeke said the proposed facility would have a tremendous ripple effect on the state's tourism and hospitality industry and the economy in general. Addressing Government House correspondents at the end of the meeting, Commissioner for Works and Infrastructure, Engineer Gerard Utiji, Commissioner for Transportation, Dr. Ubiozo, Commissioner for Culture and Tourism, Dame Ugochi Madeke, and the Commissioner for Agriculture and Agro-Industrialization, Mr. Patrick Uburu, said the different projects were in furtherance to the administration focus on making Enugu State the premier destination for investment, business, tourism, and living. Uburu, on his part, said the revitalization of the United Palm Products Limited would create jobs, put Enugu State in the forefront as one of the biggest producers of oil palm produce, and also help the state to earn foreign exchange. Ebonyi residents shut down EEDC office over 3 months blackout. Residents of Azugu, Abakaliki local government area of Ebonyi State, have shut down the Enugu Electricity Distribution Company, EEDC, located at Awolowo Street. Over 3 months of blackout. The shutdown has led to the interruption of business activities at the EEDC office on Tuesday, which lasted till Thursday morning. It will be recalled that the residents had protested earlier to inform the power company of the lingering blackout, which has caused hardship and economic challenges to business owners in the area. However, on Tuesday, the residents came out in large numbers, both men, women, young, elderly, to display their grievances over the lengthy period of blackout that has collapsed business activities in the area and caused hardship to the people. When contacted on the development, EEDC distribution manager Nwankwo Cyprian stated that the company was aware of the situation, explaining that there have been a series of meetings with the management. He, however, said he could not give a definite date as to when the light would be restored. He appealed for calmness and assured them that on or before the end of May 2024, positive news would emerge. Parents in shock as a motorcyclist disappear with 3 kids in Abia. 3 kids of same parents have been stolen by an unidentified motorcyclist in Amaba, Ime, Oboro, Yukuano local government area of Ada State. According to the mother of the missing children, Mrs. Glory Osinachi, her kids, named Gideon Osinachi, 8 years, Divine Osinachi, 6 years, Israel Osinachi, 4 years, were stolen on Friday and taken to an unknown place by the unidentified motorcyclist. Mrs. Osinachi, who is presently in a devastated condition, said her children visited their grandmother's home in the same Amaba Ime community on Friday last week after returning from school, but were stolen. The disgruntled mother, who said the incident has been reported to the police in Ikuano, is begging all security agencies and the general public to assist the family recover her missing children. While Gideon is a primary 2 pupil, Divine and Israel are both in nursery 3 and 1, respectively. When contacted on a phone line provided by the family of the missing children, Mrs. Glory Osinachi told newsmen in tears that she and her husband, Mr. Osinachi Eluwa, have been devastated by the disappearance of their children. Meanwhile, the police public relations officer of Abia State Police Command, ASP Maureen Chinaka, confirmed that the incident were reported to the divisional police headquarters covering the area of the incident. Now we move over to the foreign scene. Ukraine-Russia offensive halted after units engaged in street battles with Kremlin. Ukrainian units locked in street battles with the Kremlin forces in a key northeastern Ukraine town have halted the Russian advance, military officials in Kyiv claimed on Thursday, though a senior Moscow official said the frontline push had enough resources to keep going. Russian attempts to establish a foothold in the town of Vovshansk, which is among the largest towns in Ukraine's northeastern Kharkiv region, with a pre-war population of 17,000, have been foiled. Ukraine's general staff said in a midday report it was not possible to independently verify the claim. Volshaks, located just 5 kilometers from the Russian border, has been a hotspot in the fighting in recent days. Russia launched an offensive in the Kharkiv area late week, significantly adding to the pressure on Ukraine's outnumbered and outgunned forces, which are waiting for delayed deliveries of crucial weapons and ammunition from Western partners. Ukrainian President Volodymyr Zelensky met his top military commanders in Kharkiv on Thursday and said the region is generally under control. This is where we draw the curtain on news updates on Ebona, the 103.5 FM. But before we leave, a quick look at the headlines. Gunmen kidnap Anambra Catholic priest, Reverend Father Basil Lubuzuo. Police launch manhunt for abductors. Abia to collaborate with Israel in digital economy, technology, says OT. Absence of high-profile hotel facilities denying Enugu high-profile events. Ebonyi residents shut down EDC office over 3 months blackout. Parents in shock as motorcyclist disappears with 3 kids in Abia, Ukraine. Russia offensive halted after units engaged in street battles with Kremlin. Here is a public service announcement. Ogidi Union Nigeria. There will be a very important meeting of the landlords of the Ogidi main market, Ogidi market, with Ogidi Union Nigeria, scheduled for 18th May 2024. Venue, Ogidi Town Hall. Time, 12 noon. Note, the landlords can send representatives to the meeting. Any decision of the meeting by the union is binding on every landlord. Signed, Chief Honorable Ipuka Okoye, Anumbili Ogidi, President General Ogidi Union, Nigeria. Here is also a public service announcement about a missing person, Gloria Ifeoma Atogo. She is tall, light in complexion, slim, speaks English and Igbo fluently. If seen, please contact Atogo Chigozie. Phone number 08069328770 or Anthony on 08068577273, or you visit the nearest police station, or you come to Ebona, the 103.5 FM. Here is announcement about forgotten item, female purse, hand purse, forgotten in a bus from Onisha to Oka. The purse contains a national ID card with the name Teresa Chizoba. The owner of this should come to Ebona, the 103.5 FM to lay claims to these items. You just listened to news updates on Ebona, the 103.5 FM. News produced and read by Martin Ifeanyi Ekeze. Thank you for listening. Good evening.
Listen to news updates on Ebona, the 103.5 FM immediately after Angeles 6 o'clock a.m. and 6 o'clock p.m. weekdays. Stay tuned to be updated, to be informed. News updates, live reports. Ebona FM breaks the news with actualities.
I believe that if we are hoping for a new Nigeria,
you can as well listen online via mixlr.com/GistFM. How best can we talk about the challenges we are having on our streets, our community, our society in general? Street report. If we do not address these challenges on Ebona FM, who will? As the happenings around us get as complicated as they can be.
Hello, government.
Whatever. Street report is here to make sense of it all. Street report is causing social change across your streets. In your community. Street report is here with hardcore journalism to get to the roots of our problem. Why don't you join me, Martin Ifeanyi as our number the first every Friday, 4:30 p.m. on Ebona 103.5 FM as Street Reports unfolds in your face. On Emas and Ebona the corner 24/7, 24/7.
Ndewonu, Akambo Nnota Josephine Ujumwa, album Adogidi 2024. Ana m asị ka unu na-ege Ebona 103.5 FM Ogidi.
If you know your history, then you will know where you are coming from. And in whatever you do, seek wisdom. Knowledge is power. Inugo Maka the book, Hip Hop and Igbo Culture, authored by Martin Ifeanyichukwu Ekezie, exam number the first. Metal of Ebona, the 103.5 FM. There is a great insight in hip hop and Igbo culture. You can get this book or pick it up at a bookshop in St. Teresa's Catholic Church, Omonia, or at Ebona, the 103.5 FM Ogidi. You can also get this book at the Catechist office in St. Michael's Catholic Church, Abacha, or you go to www.amazon.com, search for Hip Hop and Igbo Culture by Martin Ifeanyichukwu Ekezie. For further information on how to get this book, please call 080-3916-7049 or you WhatsApp 080-6579-6599.
Man is a political animal. That's why we all have our views on politics. Political View comes to you at Ebona, the 103.5 FM with Martin Ifeanyichukwu Ekezie every Monday, 3 o'clock p.m. to 4:30 p.m. and Saturday, 10 a.m. to 11:30 a.m. It's all about the day-to-day activities in the Nigerian political space. Views of political actors from various political parties on political process. Views of labor leaders, and most importantly, your views. Views of the common Nigerian. Tune in to Ebona at 103.5 FM or you join online via mixlr.com/gistfm every Monday and Saturday. What are your political views? Keep a date.
Thank God it's Friday. Friday is the most favorable day of the week. So hook up with DJ Easy every Friday by 9 p.m. on Ebona, the 103.5 FM. This is a program where we bring on to you entertainment and the best of fun and also give you the privilege to make some music requests. TGIF, thank God it's Friday. Don't miss this every Friday night by 9 p.m. with DJ Easy on Ebona, the 103.5 FM. Hello, Friday.
Shay, one them say no more. Probably listening about a table. Now Anambra State in a jet. One of the local Jebena residency hotels, Leofino, Gidi. One night, Lady Mission, more prefer the Manzo, one night, if the Made, one night. If you're there, but on a room, I will join you. Where you see luxuriously furnished rooms and suites at the moment. One neighbor in their kitchen. One never see Fanny when you can see if it is safe. If you care, even one of their outdoor arena where you can even have all types of events. From wedding down to birthday party, from and a very, very clean swimming pool of one residency hotels, Leofino, Gidi, ordinary, a very serene and secure environment at kilometer 13, Old Onitsha Enugu Express Road. You can also call them for reservation on 081 40 933 512. Residency hotels, Leofino, Gidi. If I can ever not, they want more. Say no more. Okay, guys, thank you. Like, subscribe, and share. Right, see the subscribe button right here. Check this out. It's on Amazon.com. Hip Hop and Igbo Culture. But just look for the Martin Ifeanyichukwu Ekezie, okay? It's also available at St. Teresa's Catholic Church, Omonia, or you can find it at St. Michael's Catholic Church, Abacha. Good luck. Dialogue.